This video I'm going to show you how to change a key fob battery. This is my wife's Nissan 370Z. Got an indicator light on the dashboard. It shows what appears to be a key and a low battery. So I'm going to show you how to change this key fob. We're going to do it in one step. I'm not going to do any breaks. Basically on the back of the key fob, if you flip this over, you'll see there's a little button here. If you take that button and push it forward, there's actually a key inside of the fob. A lot of people know there's even a key in there. There's actually a key inside of that. Once you get the key out of it, on the very bottom, you'll notice there's two little tabs. You'll need a little micro driver. If you use a big screwdriver, you're going to tear up the key fob. If you use too small of a key or screwdriver, you're going to tear it up or tear up the key fob. So basically what we want to do, I'm trying to get the light to reflect on this just right in here. We're going to take our screwdriver, we're going to turn, half turn. Same thing on the other side, half turn. No harder than that. Shouldn't be prying, shouldn't be pulling. Then just take your fingernails, slide them inside. The key fob separates. And this is a 2032 battery in here. I noticed my flat side's down without the markings on it, so that's my negative side. Take my screwdriver, pop the battery out. Got my new battery. Pull that off. So that's my flat side. This side's positive, that side's negative. Same way I popped it out, opposite. I'm going to push it in at an angle. I'm going to flip it back over. I'm going to start with the top part of the key fob first, since that's where we pried it from the bottom up. So we're going to start from the top and work our way down. You're not pressing hard on this, you're just gently pushing until it snaps back together. Shouldn't be any harder than that. If it's any harder than that, you're doing something wrong. Once you get it snapped back together, I'm going to take the key, reinsert the key. That's all there is to it. That's a Nissan 370Z key fob battery. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe.